With augmented reality, that's not just a lofty dream, but an achievable reality. Augmented reality, or AR for short, has the power to make education more engaging. Instead of reading about the solar system, imagine being able to explore it in 3 dimensions, right from your classroom. This immersive experience not only captures students' attention, but also makes complex concepts easier to understand. Personalized learning is another significant benefit of AR. Teachers can tailor lessons to each student's needs, ensuring that no one falls behind. Furthermore, studies have shown that students who learn with AR are more motivated to study. It's not hard to see why. After all, who wouldn't prefer exploring ancient civilizations in 3D over reading a textbook? Therefore, augmented reality can make learning more effective and enjoyable. But what does the future hold for AR in education? What if every student could have a personal tutor and a fully equipped science lab in their own home? This is not a far-fetched dream with the advancements in augmented reality technology. Imagine virtual classrooms where students from all over the world can interact in real time, exploring historical sites, or diving deep into the human body right from their living room. Think about personalized AI tutors that adapt to each student's learning style and pace, providing instant feedback and support. Envision immersive field trips that transport students to the heart of the Amazon rainforest or the surface of Mars, all without leaving their classroom. The increasing accessibility of AR technology means it's not just an exciting possibility, but a rapidly approaching reality. As we move forward, augmented reality could become a standard tool in education, breaking down barriers and opening up a world of knowledge like never before. In conclusion, augmented reality has the potential to transform how we learn, making education more engaging, interactive, and personalized.